Most people think white labeling GoHighLevel just means changing the logo, but there are actually three completely different ways to do it, and one scales properly in this particular year. So in this video, I will show you the manual agency model, the SaaS mode automation, and full SaaS plus vertical niche product, okay? So the first way to white label GoHighLevel is to white label it using the manual setup, the basic agency white label setup. So how you're going to do that is you simply want to go to your agency view, and under your agency view, as you know, in GoHighLevel, you have agency view and sub account. You go to settings, and you go to company, and then here under the white label, you can white label your GoHighLevel. Now you can add a logo, as I added the logo right here. You can add a white label domain, an API domain. You can also add privacy policy and terms and conditions. I also added my custom JavaScript and custom CSS here. Plus I can choose between dark and light theme. As you can see, this is my current theme. This is what I have. So if I go back, right? If someone goes in and if someone logs in their sub account like a client, then I can go and they will be able to see it like this. So they will be able to see the theme that I set up. So this is the first way to white label it. Obviously, once you white label it and in order for your clients to see this, they need to actually go to the sub accounts and they need to create a sub account. Or in this case, you're creating a sub account for them. Then you're onboarding your clients to the sub account, and then they would be able to see this for themselves. So that's essentially what's happening currently for the first way to white label your GoHighLevel. Now, the second way to white label GoHighLevel is to create your custom SaaS. So this is done in the SaaS plan. Again, if you want to use a SaaS plan, you have the link below. You click on SaaS configurator, and you simply can adjust the standard pricing, the professional pricing, and premium pricing right here. So you can create pricing plans with the features inside of those pricing plans. And you can also choose how your customers are going to be onboarded. Now, in this case, what's happening is you're actually going to be onboarding your customers automatically, okay? So automatically with SaaS configurator, you set up the SaaS configurator once, and then you automatically onboard your clients. So in this case, you create a plan, you set the pricing, you add the features, you connect the Stripe, you have a checkout page right here. So if I copy the sales link right here, and if I paste it right here, oops, this is actually not the copied one. So if I copy this and if I paste it, okay. So if it's not copying, just double click here and you would be able to copy it like this. And if you paste it right here, you would be able to see how this looks like. So 7 days for free, and then it's going to be costing $197. Then when someone logs in here, or when someone purchases this, they will be able, or we will send them an email and they will be able to log into their SaaS plan on GoHighLevel. And obviously, if everything is white labeled before in the step one, which I showed you, that is going to look like this for them. And they would be able to go and use these features that you set up, for example, for the standard plan. Now, third way to automate, or not automate, but white label GoHighLevel, and this is the most powerful way in like 2026. Instead of selling a CRM software, you can sell dentist growth system, AI appointment setter system, real estate lead machine. You can simply go to your sub accounts, and when you're creating a sub account for your specific niche, you can create a sub account here. And let me actually refresh this because we have a glitch right here. But when you create a sub account right here, you can go create a sub account and you can hit the snapshot. So for example, let's say you're creating this for home services. Here is the entire setup guide for your SaaS account or regular account. So if you're using SaaS account, then as you can see, you can add the appliance repair shop. This is like a snapshot, a template, and you can sell this as a system. So you get pre-built funnels, automations, calendars, workflows, templates, pretty much everything in one place. And yeah, this way, this becomes your product, not your service, and you're white labeling this as well. So in this case, you know, if I go to one of my sub accounts, and let's say in that sub account, I added a snapshot, which is a marketing snapshot. In this case, what's going to happen is I will have it right here in automation. I would have automations that are specifically made for my specific use case, or in this case for your client's specific use case, like let's say automations for appointment reminders, sites, funnels, templates, and stuff like that. So these are basically the three different ways how you can white label your GoHighLevel, your GoHighLevel like a platform for your clients. Now there is another way to do it, which obviously you can do it through memberships. So you can build your own branded app where you have a custom login domain, which looks like this right here. And this is like a custom login domain. If we go to home, this is how it looks like, the dashboard. But yeah, like there's a lot of different ways. Like you can have AI chat widgets branded, client portal branding, branded support email, stuff like that. You can change all of these right here, which is really cool. So if you want to test a GoHighLevel SaaS plan, we have a link below for those of you who are interested. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. And yeah, obviously we'll see you in the next video.